Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore English one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is dancer. So, what does dancer mean? Well, a dancer is simply a person who dances. It's a noun, and it's a very common word, especially if you're interested in music, performances, or even just having fun. We use the word dancer to describe someone who moves their body to music, usually in a rhythmic way. You might say, she is a beautiful dancer, or he wants to become a professional dancer. It's a pretty straightforward word, right? Now, let's explore some words that have similar meanings to dancer. These are called synonyms. A good synonym for dancer could be choreographer. While a choreographer primarily creates dances, they are also dancers themselves, often demonstrating the steps. For example, the choreographer showed the dancers the new routine. Another synonym could be ballerina, though this is more specific. A ballerina is a female ballet dancer. We could say, the ballerina floated across the stage. We can also use the term terpsichorean. This is a slightly more formal or literary word for dancer, deriving from terpsichore, the Greek muse of dance. You might read in a book, the terpsichorean dazzled the audience with their artistry. Another word we can use is performer. While not all performers are dancers, dancers are certainly performers. For example, the performer captivated the audience with their energetic dance moves. Let's think about words that have the opposite meaning of dancer. These are antonyms. It's a little tricky because being a dancer is an action, so we need to think about people who don't dance or who are not involved in dance. An antonym could be spectator. A spectator watches a performance, including dance, but they don't participate. The spectator enjoyed watching the dancers. Another antonym, although not a perfect one, could be observer. An observer simply watches something, including dance, without actively participating. The observer took notes on the dancer's technique. We can also think of someone who is sedentary. A sedentary person spends a lot of time sitting down and doesn't engage in physical activity, including dancing. A sedentary lifestyle can be unhealthy. Another contrasting word could be inactive. An inactive person is not physically active, which is the opposite of what a dancer does. An inactive lifestyle can lead to health problems. Now, let's see how we can use the word dancer in everyday life. Imagine you're talking to a friend. You could say, my sister is a dancer in a local dance group. Or perhaps you're discussing hobbies. You could say, I love to watch dance shows. I admire every dancer. Maybe you're planning an event. You could say, we need to hire a dancer for the party to entertain the guests. Or imagine you are at a school event. You could say, the young dancer received a big applause. Here are some more examples of dancer in sentences and phrases. She dreams of becoming a professional ballet dancer. The dancer practiced her routine for hours. He is a talented hip-hop dancer. The dance company is looking for experienced dancers. My favorite dancer is performing tonight. The audience cheered for the lead dancer. The dancer wore a beautiful costume. Being a dancer requires dedication and discipline. She is a natural dancer. The dancer's movements were graceful and elegant. The studio provides training for aspiring dancers. The annual dance competition features many talented dancers. He took dance lessons to become a better dancer. The dancer's performance was truly captivating. They applauded the skill of each dancer. The dancer leaped across the stage. The dancer moved with incredible precision. The famous dancer inspired many people. Being a dancer can be a rewarding career. The dancer's passion for dance was evident. The dancer trained rigorously for the competition. The young dancer showed great potential. She's a very good dancer. My daughter is a dancer. He is a dancer with great potential. They are recruiting dancers for the show. The dancer was wearing a colorful dress. So, to summarize, a dancer is a person who dances. We learned some synonyms like choreographer, ballerina, terpsichorean, and performer. We also explored antonyms such as spectator, observer, sedentary, and inactive. We looked at how we can use the word dancer in everyday conversations. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes. And if you're feeling generous, please leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. Now, for your homework, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word dancer and share it in the comments below the video. We'd love to see your creativity. See you next time on Hello Word.